The power of press on. Dive deep into English idioms. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have come across, press on. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, how to use it in sentences, and where it might have originated. Let's get started. Press on is a phrasal verb that primarily means to continue doing something despite difficulties. Think about pressing or pushing forward even when the journey is tough. It can also be used more generally to mean to continue or to proceed. For example, even though the weather was bad, the hikers decided to press on. I was tired during the marathon, but I pressed on and finished. The word press typically means to push or apply pressure. Imagine pressing a button or pressing a stamp onto paper. The word on, in this context, gives a sense of forward movement or continuation. Together, press on captures the essence of pushing forward or persevering, especially in the face of challenges. Press on is versatile and can be used in various scenarios. 1. Physical activities, like hiking or sports. She felt a pain in her ankle but chose to press on. 2. Emotional contexts, like facing personal difficulties. Despite the setbacks in his personal life, he decided to press on with his studies. 3. Professional scenarios. The project faced many obstacles, but the team pressed on and completed it on time. While the exact origin of the phrase is uncertain, its components have old roots in the English language. The term press has been used to convey the act of pushing since as early as the 14th century. Over time, idiomatic expressions like press on developed to convey more abstract concepts like perseverance and determination. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, press on. It's more than just two simple words. It's an encouragement to persevere and continue, no matter the challenges. Remember, language is not just about words but also the stories and emotions behind them. We hope you found this video enlightening. Keep pressing on in your language learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.